Hello again, good to have you back for part 3 of my Wild and Wonderful Things art workshop. We're exploring different ways to make art pieces from loose parts. Loose parts are things we find around us in our home. Maybe you find them outside and we put them together to make a picture. I hope you're enjoying exploring the different ways you can make your own art pieces out of loose parts. You can make pictures, patterns, designs, whatever you choose. For part 3, I'm going to talk about the background of your picture and where to make your art piece. Before you start to make a picture from your bits and bobs, try to look for a flat place to work. A plain background helps make your picture stand out so that it is clear to see. You could lay your picture pieces out on a tabletop, or maybe a clear section of yard or a patch of grass. Piece of paper or card works well. Or maybe you could use a piece of material or a pillowcase for your background. However, there is another way you can use your background so that it becomes part of your picture. I have added marker drawings on my paper background here, and it outlines the shape and adds details where I want them. Here you can see different coloured paper for the water and the sky in this picture. You could also paint background colours to do this. Chalk lines on the path background here become colourful dividers in my design. Fun task for you to try out at home. Make a picture using loose parts, but this time I want you to use the background so that it becomes part of your picture. However you do that is your decision. The suggestions I've shown you in the video are just a few of the possibilities. Have a try, make it your own design, and most importantly, I hope you have fun doing it. Bye for now, and I'll see you soon.